Well, welcome to Brad Allen Drums. For those of you who are new, my name's Brad Allen. I'm a professional drummer who's also been teaching private drum lessons for over 20 years. And now I'm doing my best to pass along all that knowledge to you. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about a very simple way of playing the Samba Drumbeat on the drum set for beginners. This is something you can use immediately in your playing, and it's different than I see a lot of other teachers teaching. Okay, so what is the basic samba beat for drum set? Well, the traditional samba beat is a Brazilian rhythm originally written in 2/4 and played on multiple percussion instruments. This traditional drum beat was later adapted to the drum set, especially by jazz drummers. Today, it's common to see the samba beat written in 4/4 as well as 2/4, and it's very common to come across this while playing with a jazz group. First of all, I want to mention this is the way most teachers that I see teaching the samba teach it. They teach it with a real kind of a fast bass drum like this. Now, what's wrong with that? Well, nothing's wrong with it. It sounds great. The problem is, for most beginners, that's very hard to play. For me, it took a very long time to learn how to play that. In fact, I still keep working on that because it's still not quite as comfortable as I want it to be, and I've been working on it for a long, long time. So, if you have to be able to play a samba with a jazz group next week, you need something that you can use almost immediately. So here are 5 steps to an easier way for beginners to play the samba. And again, you can probably learn this today and play it next week if you need to. Step 1, learn the basic right hand pattern. Play this on the hi-hat or the ride cymbal. A little faster. By the way, I have all these patterns written out on my website at bradallendrums.com for your convenience. Just click on the link below. Step 2, now we're going to play quarter notes on our bass drum along with the basic right hand samba pattern. And again, this is much easier than playing the pattern that we played earlier, or that I demonstrated earlier. A little faster. A little faster. Step 3, next break up your right hand pattern a bit and add a few notes on the snare drum to kind of mix it up, make it sound a little more interesting. Leave out the bass drum for now. A little slower. A little faster. Now play quarter notes on the bass drum along with the pattern that we just played. A little faster. The nice thing is you can probably play that pattern as fast as you need to pretty easily. In fact, sometimes when that dotted eighth thing that I showed you before, when that gets extremely fast, sometimes I'll go to quarter notes just because I don't want to lose the groove. So it's always nice to be able to do that as an alternative as well. Number 5, practice playing solos and fills with that groove to get more control of the beat. Keep the quarter note going on your bass drum during these solos, and that way it fits in better with the samba, like this. Now, a good way to start that is like this. Just try 16th notes on the snare drum. And start adding some accents. And then maybe add some toms or some rolls in there. And then try alternating back and forth like this. Maybe 2 measures of each. Maybe try 4 measures of each. So again, this is the most basic way of playing the samba beat for drum set. There are more advanced ways of playing the beat as well, but this will work in many situations. Now for the bonus I mentioned earlier, I have a gift I'd like to send you as a thank you for watching today. I have 10 of the best exercises for speed that I've created. These are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.